Imagine this, 1 hour to pack. You're escorted to a desert island alone. No idea when you'll return. With just one backpack, what do you grab? This isn't just a game. It's the ultimate test of your mind, your resourcefulness, your survival skills. What would you pack? Think along with us. The rules are simple. 1 hour, one backpack, unknown return. But before we pack, here's the secret weapon: mindset. Survival isn't just about items. It's about resilience, adaptability, and unwavering hope. Your brain is your best tool. Let's prime it for victory. Packing isn't random. It's strategic. Think categories: water, shelter, fire, food, medical, signaling, navigation, and tools. Each essential. Your backpack isn't just a bag. It's your lifeline. Prioritize smart. This systematic approach is your first step to surviving the unknown. Item 1. A large, durable water bottle. Hydration is survival. Next, water purification tablets or a filter. Don't risk sickness. Item 3. Fire starter. A lighter or ferro rod. Warmth, cooking, signaling. Finally, a small foldable saw. For wood, for shelter. These are non-negotiable lifelines. Item 4. A robust multi-tool. Pliers, knife, saw, a compact workshop. Item 5. Durable rope. Shelter, climbing, binding. Item 6. A simple fishing kit. Food source, quiet. Finally, a strong, fixed-blade knife. Core survival tool. These are your hands-on problem solvers, your defense against the wild. Item 7. A signaling mirror. Shine bright, signal for rescue. Item 8. A whistle. Loud, saves your voice. Item 9. A comprehensive first aid kit. Bandages, antiseptic, pain relievers, crucial for injuries. These tools are your voice in the wilderness and your shield against the unexpected. Non-negotiable. Item 10. Compact high-calorie food bars. Lightweight, nutrient-dense. Item 11. A waterproof notebook and pencil. For mapping, journaling, sanity. Item 12. A small, inspiring book. For morale, hope. These last items fuel your body, guide your mind, and protect your spirit. Crucial for long-term survival. So, how did your list compare? Remember, survival isn't just about the gear. It's about the mindset, resilience, resourcefulness, and unwavering hope. Your brain is your ultimate survival tool. What surprising items did you think of? Let us know in the comments below.